What's up?
You late again.
Tell Jean-Claude I'm working on it. It's hard to move out here. Everybody's taking hits. Sure you understand?
Listen, you little strawberry gummy bitch. I ain't come here for no expedition.
Did you mean an explanation?
Don't get cute with me. Run me that bread. Oh, shit.